ngaqala lapho ke ukuthanda umaskandi, and he introduced me to izinto eziningi zo music. Wangifundisa ukwenza music kamaskandi, so kwaze kwaba ngiyawuthanda uyangena egazini okuthe mayedlula ke emhlabeni. Then I decided ukuqala ukuzimela nami ngenze lokho abengifundisa khona.
I mean, we've seen in the South African music industry, there's introduction of new genres. So, ucabanga ukuthi imaskandi yona isathandwa abantu? Is it still popular?
Yes, and umaskandi unyaka nonyaka uyakhula kakhulu. So, kuyangijabulisa mina ukuthi ngikwi-genre ekhulayo unyaka nonyaka engashoni phansi.
Okay. Now, Usanele, as his manager, what role do you think Maskandi music plays in so far as cementing social cohesion and fighting gender-based violence in South Africa?
I believe Maskandi plays a critical role in fighting gender-based violence, especially since Maskandi artists, they normally release songs that have a very good message in terms of such social ills that are happening around. I believe Maskandi is very influential to many people, because at the moment as Maskandi, previously, Maskandi was known as something that is played by old people and stuff, but currently you find in the